Nuts are a nutrient-rich food packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer wide-ranging health benefits. Regular consumption is linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases, improved heart health, and support for weight management. Improved heart health lowers bad cholesterol. The monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats in nuts can significantly lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. Reduces inflammation. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds found in nuts can reduce chronic inflammation, a key risk factor for heart disease. Improves artery function. Nuts help maintain the health of your artery linings and reduce the risk of blood clots. Specific nutrients. Walnuts are particularly high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can lower heart disease risk. Boosts metabolism. Nuts may slightly increase your resting energy expenditure and metabolic rate, contributing to fat burning. Promotes fat loss. Studies show that including nuts in a healthy diet does not cause weight gain. Some research even indicates that people who regularly eat nuts have lower body, abdominal fat, limited calorie absorption. Due to their fibrous structure, your body may not absorb all of the calories contained in nuts. May prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. Blood sugar control. Nuts are low in carbohydrates and do not significantly raise blood sugar levels. Reduced risk. Regular nut consumption has been associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Lowered complications. In people with diabetes, nuts can help improve heart disease. Risk factors like high blood sugar and blood pressure. Improves gut and brain function. Nourishes gut bacteria. Fiber in nuts acts as a prebiotic, feeding healthy bacteria in your colon. Reduces oxidative damage. Nuts contain polyphenols and other antioxidants that protect against oxidative stress, which can cause cell damage. Boosts brain health. Research suggests that walnuts in particular may improve brain function and reduce the risk factors for dementia. Fights inflammation. Powerful antioxidants. Many nuts are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and plant compounds like polyphenols, which fight inflammation. Regularly eating nuts may help combat this. Nutrients found in nuts. While each nut variety has a unique nutritional profile, they are all excellent sources of vitamins, especially vitamin E and B vitamins like folate and B6, minerals, including magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, and selenium. Antioxidant compounds. Eat in moderation. Choose wisely. Opt for unsalted, unflavored, raw, or dry roasted nuts. Avoid varieties with added salt, sugar, or other coatings. Mix it up. Since each type offers different nutrients, eating a variety of nuts will provide the broadest spectrum of benefits. Consider potential allergies. Be aware of nut allergies, which can be severe in some individuals.